Every time I leave NQ to go to ES, NQ is like, let me show you why you should stay with me. So obviously we fucking lost on ES. We went 60 ticks. 60 ticks our way and then got stopped out. I did a 1 to 2. I think I'm gonna leave the 1 to 2 too. I'm gonna just try it with them only on my prop firm. I'm gonna try it. And then stop me out. And now look, and yeah, an NQ hit those 200 ticks before we even reversed. If you need to see it, 200, 100. The trade was off this broadening formation from yesterday. And we were in a 1 hour fair value gap. In a 1 hour fair value gap at 10 o'clock, broadening formation, took out the low, reversed. Then I got in on the nice big 5-minute candle here. I waited for the first 10 a.m. candle. We got it. We then boom got in here, and then obviously we did not push the way I wanted it to at least go to these highs. I think NQ took out the highs though, and it wound up going like 3. It wound up going like Sorry, my desk is a mess, so it's hard for my mouse to move around. We wound up going almost. Well, just like 300. I thought it was like 4. It wasn't 4. So yeah, just to 200 on NQ and minimal drawdown. It still can go up. Like it's looking like it still wants to go up for us, but again, the 1 to 2. Is that why I should have kept it 1 to 1? I don't fucking know. Because either way, NQ we would have been done. What if we just took it to here? How many ticks would that have been? To liquidity. Around 268, yeah. So yeah, that 200. Maybe I'll try 250 on NQ for a little bit. Try 250. And then stop loss. What's 250? 125. We'll try 125, 250. It could still go up here, honestly, but it just sucked that it stopped me out before going up there. But I wanted to hit here first. We did this big 5-minute fair value gap. So a loss. I'll check back later and see if I did 1 to 1, if it would have played out for me, because that's what I usually do on NQ, a 1 to 1. But I'm trying to get 1 to 2s, but I don't think so. I really don't. I don't think. I knew we were going higher from there, but I didn't think we were going to push so much higher the rest of the day. And we back under the IFE. We're back under the EMAs. I cannot talk. And we inversed this 15-minute fair value gap to the downside. So there we are. So let me just go ahead and delete all this, and then go back to 2 hour. Go back to. We're going to do MNQ now on all these. 2 hour, 4 hour, daily, and then we do MNQ. And then let's just draw my broadening formations. What's the 10 a.m. candle? Yeah. I waited till we start pushing up anyway on that one. And it's okay, it happens to the best. And then my loss was smaller than my win yesterday. So the broadening formation for NQ now is, I'm going to keep both. I'm going to keep this one. I mean, we still could go lower at the end of the day, but I'm going to draw this one too now because we have this. And then we had on ES, we had this one here. It's way. We had this one here. And then we had that. Oh, we had this one from the previous week. We had like this. Something like that. What's our broadening formations? So that's where we're at. There's only one topside one for now. I guess I was like, we could keep going lower because we do have this one down here. So there's that. And that's the one we bounced off of. That was like, okay, we're going to push higher. And then, So let's go ahead and turn all this to NQ. Together. Are you journaled? So my stomach is always hurting in the morning, and then when I eat, it feels fine. But it's like I just don't understand why my hunger is now pain instead of just regular hunger. Okay, so MNQ on the 60, 30. 15, 5. Boom, boom, boom. And now we need to do didn't I have a no, that's the big one. That's the big one. Let's just do a whole nother one. Let's do ticks 125. No, let's just do 100, 200 for now. $100, $200. Alrighty. That's what we'll do tomorrow, and hopefully shit works out. But yeah, see on NQ we got. And if we got to say here, 267. See what I'm saying? So stick to Old Faithful. Stick to Old Faithful. And I'll see y'all next week on Monday.